So this is the recap for live stream 341. We had to reset the account today after having a really bad day on Friday. Today didn't start much better. So we'll have a look at the trades that we did take. We had a gap up in the market. Came to the market around the usual time, around 11:30 Eastern Standard. The first trade I took was a short. I managed to get back out of it because the market came back up. After that, seems like, let's see, might have taken a long right there. Took a long, that didn't seem to work out. Believe. Oh, that's right, I scaled out. So prices came down. Eventually, take profit was hit over on gold, over on ES. Now this is very frustrating. So went short, added to the position. Price came down within one tick of the level, turned around, and eventually I had to get out of the position. I decided to get out of the position. But this was very frustrating because price came down exactly to the target of 42.75. Thought price was a bit overbought. Went short, and another reason why, I looked at how we're setting up over on gold. So gold seemed like it wanted to go higher, so went short over on ES and NQ. Gold, of course, did go higher through this period. Didn't quite follow through to the downside on ES. Instead, what happened was prices found some sort of support. Over on NQ, similar scenario. First came into the market during this choppy period. Tried to get in short, but a poor entry. Still went short, turned around, took a loss, went short again, turned around, took a loss. Eventually took a long, took profits. Went short for the same reasons over on ES. Looking at the gold, thinking we could see a bit more of a pullback. Took some of the trades off, re-shorted. Eventually price continued upwards, so I decided to get out and take a bigger loss over on NQ. With NQ, we came within 6 ticks of target before turning around. So between 1 tick on ES and 6 ticks on NQ, these margins pretty small. So we'll have a look at this new account. We can see here we're starting the account in the hole on the first day. First trade there is a winner, smaller loser, winner again. Doesn't seem that was positive at no point on the account. Came pretty close to break even here. We're up at 598. Had a series of losers though. That drew the account back down to where we're going to end at 505.825 minus 94.175. What I'll do now is I'll bring over the trade performance. So over on the trade performance tab, you can see here negative 94.175, 3 winners, 11 losers, 21% accuracy. That's incredibly poor. One positive we can take away from today is the average win being bigger than the average loss by a fairly decent margin there. Similar scenario over on NQ. Only had a loss on ES, so this doesn't qualify. And we had a pretty decent average win, average loss over on gold, 28 and 11, 50% accuracy. where we had 0% accuracy over on ES, and the scenario over on NQ is terrible. We had 1 win and 8 losers for 11%, which is really bad, really bad. So I think I'm going to change strategy. I'm going to change my strategy because what I've seen over the past couple of days, it's just not really worked for me as the market has moved. Of course, I played my own part, not psychologically holding to the plan, but I think time's probably come to look at the strategy as a whole. I'll see what I decide in the coming days or so, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.